Thought of the day. The habit of reading inspiring thoughts is the most effective weapon to eradicate ignorance and poverty from society. 1. Indian Army Chief General Dheeraj Seth unveiled extreme weather grade diesel, manufactured using indigenous technology, in New Delhi. This special fuel does not freeze and functions normally even in temperatures as low as -42 degrees Celsius. It has been jointly developed by the Indian Army and public sector oil companies. 2. India and the Maldives have launched a new initiative regarding digital payments. The Maldives, Fawara, payment system has now been linked to India's UPI. This will enable Maldivian citizens to instantly transfer money from their mobile apps to Indian bank accounts. This facility has currently been launched in partnership with the Bank of Maldives and the Maldives Islamic Bank. 3. Varsha Ashok Aglave has assumed the office of the 54th Director General of the Geological Survey of India, GSI. She has succeeded Asit Saha. She is the first woman to hold this position in the organization's 176-year history. Varsha Aglave is an experienced paleontologist. 4. The Union Cabinet has decided to launch the PM Surya Sarovar Yojana. The objective is to install floating solar projects, solar panels floating on water, on the country's water bodies and industrial ponds. A budget of 5,070 crore rupees has been approved for this purpose. The target is to develop a solar power capacity of 5,000 megawatts by 2030-31. 5. Air Marshal Sandeep Taneja has been appointed as the Director General of Armed Forces Medical Services. He currently serves as the Director General of Medical Services, Air. He has played a key role in the medical preparations for the Gaganyaan mission and the implementation of medical systems like Visham Cube. He has been awarded the Sena Medal and the Vishisht Seva Medal twice. 6. Former Indian Army Chief General Vishwanath Sharma, retired, passed away at the age of 96. He served as the 14th Chief of the Indian Army from 1988 to 1990. He was the younger brother of Major Somnath Sharma, independent India's first Param Veer Chakra recipient. He also participated in the 1965 Indo-Pak War. 7. Word of the day. CWMA. The CWMA, Kaveri Water Management Authority, is a statutory body of the government. It was established in 2018 under the Interstate River Water Disputes Act, 1956. Its mandate is to allocate and monitor the distribution of Kaveri River water among Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Puducherry in accordance with the Supreme Court's verdict. Recently, the CWMA rejected Karnataka's appeal. It upheld the directive requiring Karnataka to release 3,500 cusics of water daily to Tamil Nadu for a period of 15 days.